In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification on GoDaddy. If you've been running into issues receiving codes, changed your phone, or just need to simplify access for a specific reason, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Keep in mind that two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection to your account, so turning it off will make sign-in easier but less secure. I'll point out a few tips along the way so you can make an informed choice. First, head to your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It can look like your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where GoDaddy keeps quick links to your products and personal settings, so it's the fastest way to reach the controls we need. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you into the main area where you manage personal details, preferences, and security. If you land on a products page first, that's okay. Just find and select account settings from the same profile menu. Once you're there, you'll see different categories for customizing your account experience. Next, open the security section. You'll find it listed alongside other categories like personal information and preferences. Click Security to load the page dedicated to login and protection features. This is where GoDaddy lists things like password options and two-step verification, so everything you need is in one place. On the security page, look for the setting labeled Two-Step Verification. You'll see a slider or toggle that indicates whether it's currently on. Click that slider to turn it off. When it's disabled, the toggle typically changes color or position to confirm the update. Some accounts display a brief on-screen confirmation to make sure you intended to switch it off. So keep an eye out for any prompts and verify if asked. After the toggle shows as off, your two-step verification is disabled, and your future sign-ins will only require your username and password. Before you wrap up, consider the trade-off you've made. Without two-step verification, it's especially important to use a strong, unique password and keep your recovery options current. If you decide later that you want the added protection back, you can return to this same security page and re-enable the feature in just a moment. That's it. Click the profile icon, open account settings, go to security, and switch off the two-step verification toggle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your GoDaddy security settings with confidence.